Welcome to our video on understanding the transition from F2A to IR2 in U.S. immigration. In this video, we'll explore the complexities around the shift between child of a lawful permanent resident to child of a U.S. citizen categories, especially during the adjustment of status process. In today's video, we'll cover the following topics: an introduction to F2A and IR2 categories, the impact of parental naturalization on these categories, potential pitfalls and their solutions during the transition, best practices to manage your application, and a disclaimer to highlight the importance of consulting with an immigration attorney. Let's dive into a typical scenario. A child, who's an applicant, files for adjustment of status when their parent, acting as the petitioner, is a lawful permanent resident. A twist occurs when the parent becomes a U.S. citizen during the pending AOS process, potentially changing the child's case from F2A to IR2. To understand the transition, we need to know the categories. F2A applies to children of lawful permanent residents. This category can experience significant backlogs, causing long processing times. In contrast, the IR2 category is for children of U.S. citizens, often having shorter processing times due to higher priority and lower demand. The shift triggered by parental naturalization significantly impacts the processing of applications. The flowchart illustrates the steps involved in transitioning from F2A to IR2 during the adjustment of status. It starts with the child's pending application under F2A and flows through various stages, including parental naturalization, automatic reclassification, and potential delays in processing due to a required reassessment of the case. The naturalization of the petitioner, in this case the parent, typically triggers an automatic reclassification of the applicant's case from F2A to IR2. This shift can introduce potential delays, as USCIS reassesses the case based on the new category. Moreover, it may reveal requirements for additional documentation, adding complexity to the process. Let's have a quick quiz. What triggers the reclassification from F2A to IR2? Is it A, parental obtaining a work visa, B, parental naturalization, C, child reaching adulthood, or D, filing a separate application? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We'll discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is B, parental naturalization. The naturalization of the petitioner, the parent in this context, triggers the reclassification from F2A to IR2 because the relationship to a U.S. citizen supersedes the previous relationship to a lawful permanent resident. Switching categories might appear advantageous, but it's crucial to understand potential pitfalls. USCIS will need to reevaluate your case based on the new category, possibly causing delays due to a reassessment. Such reevaluation might expose the necessity for more information, which means further delays. The outcome could be longer processing times rather than reduced times. Therefore, being prepared for these types of challenges is essential, responding swiftly to any USCIS inquiries, and maintaining flexibility throughout the process. To smoothly navigate these changes, several best practices are advised. First, maintain proactive communication with USCIS by regularly checking your case status online and responding promptly to any requests for further information. Consulting an experienced immigration attorney is also beneficial. They can offer tailored advice based on your specific case and help ensure a smooth transition. Finally, maintaining lawful status throughout the process is vital. Compliance with all relevant immigration regulations is crucial to avoid complications. Here are some key reminders. First, proactive communication with USCIS is essential to stay informed about your application status. Second, seeking legal advice can guide you through complex immigration processes efficiently. Finally, it's crucial to remain compliant with all legal immigration requirements to avoid complications and maintain your lawful status. This information is provided for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. It's crucial to consult with an experienced immigration attorney for guidance specific to your unique situation. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.